Well, students, today we will learn about verb. Verb is important in sentence and unavoidable. You have came to know that there are lot of verb. Sometimes we have heard about linking verb. Sometimes we heard about finite, non-finite verb, main verb, and helping verb. That is also called other name by modal auxiliaries and auxiliaries also. Let us know about verb. Verb is any word that denotes to an action or state. It means verbs are used to sentence with sentence. It means verbs are made for subject. In sentence, subject are made for verbs are made for subjects. Either do the action, subject either do the action or receive the action. Let us know about the verb one by one. Mainly, you have heard about the verb that is main verb used in the sentence, but sometimes we need another helping verb that is called auxiliaries. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb are also called helping verb. And the main verb do the action and they changes their forms accordance with the subject, number of the subject, and the auxiliaries are all non-finite verbs. They do not change their forms as per the number of subject and the gender of the subject. They remain the same, but modal auxiliaries are of two types. Firstly, primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary. And secondly, modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary only have only three type of primary auxiliary: be, have, do. Simply to learn. Be. There are only three primary auxiliary. Be means is, am, are, was, were. Was, were, been. These all are forms of be verb. And in have itself is the base form. Has is another form in present used. Both are used in present tenses, and had is also another form of have. Have three categories: and do and does and did. All the three forms. All these are primary auxiliaries. They never use alone while making as helping verb. They need another form of verb, main verb. They need also main verb with them while they are called auxiliary. But sometimes we use all these primary verbs as a main verb. Then they need not take main verb. They just example. He do not go to school school, but it is not the right way to write the do. It need does. After singular subject, we need s or es to put in the verb. It means be verb and we use a main verb. Then do is primary auxiliary. But if we write down he does his work, then there is no another form of verb, main verb. Then does is used as a main verb, then it is not primary auxiliary. It is primary, not primary auxiliary. It is main verb this time. In the same way, you can use all these is, am, are, was, were in both the cases as in form of primary verb, auxiliary, or as in main verb. Another, these are modal verbs. They are may, might, can, could, shall, should, need, dare, might, ought to, ought, take to infinitive, and used also take infinitive. All these are modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries need a main verb as base form, first form. With all the modal auxiliaries, we use first form of main verb. They show different kind of expression. Can show the ability, possibility, probability, capability, and should are used to give the advice in a general way. Must is also used as an advice, but it show prohibition or strong possibility. In the same way, I will teach you one by one where can we use different models. Main verb that do the action, that does the action. Then just like play, sing, dance, cook, and so on. They have various forms. This is base form. We can write down them as in form of past form and also past participle form and ing form. Sometimes we use s or es. In various kind of tenses, we use different form of main verb to denote the action, to show the action, to show the tenses. We use different, but what does the verb say in the sentence? What is the usage of the verb? Verb denotes the action, what has happened to subject, what has done the subject, what is being the subject, in what state the subject is, says the subject, tells the subject. And another verb, these some you have heard about linking verb. Linking verb. What is linking verb? Why should we say linking verb? In which condition we use to say linking verb? Linking verb is a verb that do not make complete sense. Just like he became, still the sentence is incomplete out of sense. He became. It is out sense. He became a doctor. Now, after putting something, some noun or some other group of words, we also can put here group of words in form of phrase, then it becomes a complete sentence. He became a doctor. Now the verb is giving the complete sense. Then in this situation we call it a linking verb. We have more examples. They were. It means it is still an out sense sentence. Then we have to put something, and let me put here something. They were present there. Present, present there. It is now the sentence is complete. It means we have to put complement after verb. Now became or put. These both are the verb, main verb used as a main verb, and then we have to write down complement in this way. I will teach you another form of verb later on.